Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. I'm going to show you how to say again in French. It's not as straightforward as the word again, obviously. There's several ways of saying it according to what you mean. A lot of you already know encore for again. It's fine. It can be translated as again or some more depending on the context. Vous voulez encore du vin? Do you want some more wine? Because we're actually saying, do you want wine again? Le chat a encore renversé le vase. The cat tipped the vase over again. C'est encore moi. It's me again. You could also say encore une fois. That's fairly neutral. Sometimes can be slightly negative, but nothing dramatic. For instance, tu peux répéter encore une fois? Can you repeat again? Or can you repeat one more time? Encore une fois, le train est en retard. The train is late again. Explique-moi encore une fois comment ça marche. Explain to me one more time how this works. If you want to be a bit more dramatic and a bit more negative, use une fois de plus. And you would probably translate it in English by yet again. Ils ont oublié mon anniversaire une fois de plus. They forgot my birthday yet again. Une fois de plus, on est déçu. We are disappointed one more time, or yet again we are disappointed. Une fois de plus, il est parti avant la fin du film. Yet again, he left before the end of the film or the movie. Very important, remember the prefix RE for repeated actions, and it could mean again or back, depending on the context. On va devoir refaire cette présentation. We'll have to do this presentation all over again. Si faire, to do, refaire, to do again. Il faut réessayer. You need to try again. Essayer, to try. Réessayer, to try again. Je vais recommencer le sport. I'm going to start exercising again. Commencer, to start. Recommencer, to start again. On reprend à la deuxième mesure. Let's start again at the second bar or the second measure. Now you see that reprendre and recommencer actually mean the same in French, whereas prendre and commencer don't. Prendre is to take, commencer is to start, but reprendre and recommencer mean to start again. Tu reviens quand? When are you coming back? On se reverra l'été prochain. We'll see each other again next summer. So reverra, obviously, it's the future of revoir. And voir, to see, revoir, to see again. Now you may or may not know about de nouveau and à nouveau to mean again. But it's very formal. We don't really use them when we speak. and a prefix RE usually does the job on its own, although sometimes you'll find both in the same sentence if you want to insist. For instance, le logiciel a été installé à nouveau is the same as the logiciel a été réinstallé. The software was installed again, or reinstalled. Elle a pleuré de nouveau. It's the same as elle a recommencé à pleurer. She started crying again. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.